Oh, hello there guys, here we are down at Ashley's allotment. It's very hot down here today, but the other day I managed to get a few tomato plants in that grow bag there. These on the end, they're tiny Tims, and in the middle there is a gardener's delight. Got that one to do with some money maker. And then we have the strawberry bed with lettuce in as well. They make good buddies, which at the moment I can't complain about the lettuce and I can't complain about the strawberries. There's some more lettuce along here, which they're doing okay. Not as good as the other ones though. Maybe that says something about Charles Dowding's planting plants with his mates or something, I don't know. But anyway. And then in this grow tunnel, it's just a big cage, but Brussels sprouts there on the left hand side, and on the right hand side golden acre cabbage. They're doing alright. And then under here, don't know if you can see, because I certainly can't, but I'll do that from the other side. So just go around here, beetroot along here, they're all doing okay, brilliant. So under here in we have cauliflower. Quite pleased with them this year, they're doing alright. They're a bit on the small side, but they're healthy. And moving along a bit, we have some more cauliflower in there. Slangen cucumber in the middle there. They'll be going out next couple of weeks. And then a chili pepper and a sweet pepper there. Spuds, well, you don't need me to tell you anything about spuds. And runner beans along here, looking alright. Cobra French climbing bean along here. Coming round the other side, there's a nice little parsley plant there. And then we have some peas. These are climbing ones, get quite tall, about 6 foot. Can't remember the name of them now. And then we have some more runner beans. You'll have to excuse the quality of the video, visual wise, fighting against the sun. Underneath here, there's hispy cabbage and some shallots. Another rogue potato there. That's alright though. And then some more tomato plants which I've got to put out. Just not today, it's too hot. And there's them. Love these. Got a sunflower there. Sweet peas over there on the trellis. Marigolds and dwarf geranium, trailing geranium, sorry, in that tub there. Moving on round. Got yet another netting job to do soon. This is the blackcurrant bush. So if I don't net it, the pigeons will be even fatter than what they are now. And then we have some rhubarb, which I think I might take some of that today. Yeah. And then another lot of sweet peas. So there we go, that's about it. Not too bad for half-size plot. So on that note guys, I will catch you again. Hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe if you feel you want to.